everyone! Welcome to my jewelry making channel, Coco Beads. Today I'm back to show you how to make these beautiful and easy flower rings. You will see how easy it is to create this simple ring with wire and how lovely it looks. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below and hope to like it. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe and hit on the bell to be notified every time I post new videos. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next tutorial.